Hey everybody, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I don't want to look at Amazon, but I did talk about this chart on Friday and just want to follow up because we did end up getting a nice breakout here on Amazon with, just average daily volume, but still it looks like this stock wants to run into Christmas. A big shout out and congrats to everyone at StockMarketMentor.com who took advantage of this trade. We pointed it out again this morning. We have active members in our forum riding this thing. We don't know where it's going to go, but I would definitely look for, a little bit of a speed bump right up around that 160 range. I think that makes sense. Little move that's about 3-4% higher than it is now, and probably want to look for a little consolidation around that zone. So that's what we're looking for here on Amazon. But tonight I want to talk about Mercado Libre. This is ticker MELI. Now, MELI is in a nice basing pattern. It's not too extended. It is above the 50-day, but it's not really above, some short-term moving averages. Just kind of riding that orange line, which is the daily 8 exponential period moving average. Now, this is an online retailer, much like Amazon, but it's for Latin America. And so what I would look for on this stock is a breakthrough from this flag. You can see this downward sloping trend line that I have drawn here. A little bit of a volume pickup there on Friday. That was probably due to quad witching. And just some sideways calm price action here today. And so I would definitely have an alert on MELI right around that 1632 level and look for a strong move through that zone coming on volume. So that's another stock to add to your watch list in a market that is offering a lot of great opportunity. And if you want to see what else we're looking at, definitely take a trial at StockMarketMentor.com. Click the link, get Dan's active trade list, and a library of trading tutorials. Hopefully, I'll see you on the other side.